I actually got that tattoo right after the film in 2010 because it was just, I knew everything about our film was special. So yeah, it's my first tattoo. It's so weird. I'm like, why did you even become an actor? You are so like, you don't have any of the qualities of an actor. So like, he doesn't like the camera. He doesn't like to be in pictures. Well, he likes to act and he likes to be in films, but all the other things, giving interviews, talking about himself.
When Samantha Ruth Prabhu got a tattoo dedicated to Naga Chaitanya. Samantha Ruth Prabhu और नागा चैतन्य ने डिवोर्स ले लिया था कुछ समय पहले, post having differences with each other. और इसके बाद जहां फैंस चाहते थे कि दोनों रिकंसाइल कर ले, the couple chose to rather end their relationship and move forward in their respective lives. आज नागा चैतन्य सोबिता धुलीपाला के साथ अपने रिलेशनशिप को एक्सेप्ट करते हुए एंगेजमेंट कर चुके हैं। While Samantha Ruth Prabhu is single और एक autoimmune disease myositis से डील कर रही है, while she keeps herself occupied with work. पर एक वक्त पर Samantha Ruth Prabhu ने Zoom से एक्सक्लूसिवली बात करते हुए बताया था कि कैसे वो नागा चैतन्य से बेइंतहा मोहब्बत करती है और इसके चलते उन्होंने अपने बैक पर एक टैटू करवाया, which was the name of the movie in which she acted alongside Chai. इस मूवी के दौरान समंथा और नागा चैतन्य के बीच प्यार की शुरुआत हुई एंड सून द कपल टर्न्ड देयर रिलेशनशिप इनटू मैरिज। और अपने प्यार को यादगार बनाने के लिए समंथा chose to get a tattoo of their movie. The actress revealed about it in her interview. Hear it out.
I actually got that tattoo right after the film in 2010 because it was just, I knew everything about that film was special. So yeah, my first tattoo.
वही समंथा रुथ प्रभु ने बात की एक स्पेशल फैमिली पिक्चर की जहां वो अपने फादर इन लॉ नागार्जुना के साथ कैप्चर की गई है along with the entire family.
Yeah, it's from the same vacation, but I meet my family, so I have met them lately. It was my father-in-law's birthday as well, so that was an amazing trip.
और जैसे ही हमने समंथा रुथ प्रभु को उनकी शादी की पिक्चर बताई, she got all emotional as she could recollect memories of being married to Naga Chaitanya for 3 long years.
It's going to be 3 years. My anniversary is coming up in a week or in 2 weeks. It's going to be 3 years. Time flew.
While talking about her yet another wedding picture, we could see Samantha Ruth Prabhu calling herself a bully while trying to get the ring.
Happy picture, I'll just show them another one. Have you seen a happier couple? Come on.
I'm such a bully.
Explain to me what is happening there.
Because I'm trying to win. Apparently you have to find the ring inside or something like that, and I was like hurting him with all my jewelry, but I was like, I have to win.
So basically, and very cutely, you write once to love.
वही समंथा रुथ प्रभु का मानना है कि वो नागा चैतन्य को खुद का एक एंकर मानती है, as she feels herself stable around him.
Yes, yeah, he's my anchor. He's like, if I'm stable, he's like that anchor that stabilizes. It's like I'm this all kinds of weird, right? But he makes it into the stable kind of weird.
Samantha also revealed कि नागा चैतन्य को सोशल मीडिया पर एक्टिव रहना नहीं है पसंद, ना ही he prefers getting captured easily.
After sending mommy, auntie, sister, friends, very straight male friends is now Instagram's turn. See my husband. It's very cute, yeah, Samantha. See, my husband looks so handsome, no? My husband is somewhere digging a large pit to jump, right?
Yeah. So he's very shy, right, of social media. He stays away. He hates himself it's so weird. I'm like, why did you even become an actor? You are so you don't have any of the qualities of an actor. So, like, he doesn't like the camera. He doesn't like to be in pictures. Well, he likes to act and he likes to be in films, but all the other things, giving interviews, talking about himself, hates all of that. So, when I have to put up a picture of him, I have to give him like a 1 month notice.
Really?
Yeah, it's like he has to be in a really good mood.
The way Samantha Ruth Prabhu is seen describing her ex-husband Naga Chaitanya in her exclusive video interview says it all. That her love for him was super special, but destiny had its own role to play, and unfortunately, the couple chose to part ways. Samantha Ruth Prabhu फिलहाल अपनी वेब सीरीज Citadel को लेकर excited है, as it will showcase her action-oriented scenes alongside Varun Dhawan, while Naga Chaitanya will soon be seen working with Sai Pallavi in Thandel.